Today we're doing an unboxing of the Bissell Little Green Pro Portable Deep Cleaner. Really good for doing the upholstery in your car, or you could do some spot on your carpet. So it got rated really good compared to some of the other similar type of carpet cleaners and upholstery cleaners. And if you were to go and rent like a rug doctor, you might be out for 40 or 50 bucks after you buy the soap and all. And this came in, I think, at about 130, 140. So if you want to do a couple different cars over the lifetime of your car and do some spot cleaning of your carpet, then this is the way to go. So we got a little quick start instructions. Also tells you what kind of soap to get. Comes with some this is Bissell soap just to get you going. That's cool. Has one of the heads. This one has injectors to get the soap a little bit deeper into the carpet. And then here's a second one. This is just a regular head, which works really well. This one might just give you a little bit wider surface area, and again, you can inject deeper into the carpet. You got another bottle here. This is antibacterial soap. That's cool. Maybe if you have a bad pet spill. Got the protection cover comes off, and we can pull out the unit, and then that's just more packaging material. So we pull it out there, take off the plastic cover, and it's pretty light, so easy to move around. Got a long cord, that's great. And then you have your hose here. Look at the directions on how this comes out. Oh, you just move this little guy. Get your hose out of there. So pretty good length on the hose. I'd say you got about maybe 4 feet. You have a little trigger here so you can shoot in your soap. So it's just vacuuming, and you can easily put this on. This is where that soap can be shot through. It's pretty cool. It just snaps on easily. You have the trigger here to have the liquid soap going in. That's easy to do. This is your start and stop button. Simple. And I think this is where you put in the soap and the hot water. So it's pretty easy, pretty good modular system. Just goes in, push that down. This one I think is where you get the dirty water. So you lift up, comes right out. That's cool. Yeah, this is the dirty tank. And then we have a little tool in there. I have to check that out, what that does. This thing probably hinges open. Check the directions on that. But yeah, it's pretty good. It has a little filter in there. And it did get rated as one of the best for just able to really clean well. It doesn't have the longest hose, but it's okay because it's lightweight. You can get this thing close to where you want to work. And you do have a long cord for your power. And it's really easy to wind up the cord here and you can release it quickly here. So I think it's going to be really good. We'll also show you some before and after of the car upholstery, and then show you how well it works. But according to all the reports, it looks like it does a really good job. So it'll be fun to try it out. So I think this has to go in by itself. A little release button at the top. There we go. That's great.